Hey everyone, and welcome back to EarnPal. Have you been searching for some easy ways to make extra money? You might have tried a few, but always seem to prove abortive, right? It's okay to be scared or to be discouraged because a lot of content out there does not give any added value. I was scared when I tried some unconfirmed ways to make money. However, I came across these platforms and did a series of research and trials, and I was able to compile some good platforms and legit ones that I'm about to share in this video. Make sure to watch this video until the end because I will be talking about 4 platforms where you can actually start making money for real, 100% legit, just by watching videos. Yes, you heard me. You're gonna start making money by watching videos just like I did. In this video, I will show you exactly how you will get paid using this method by watching videos on YouTube and other platforms. Before we continue, make sure that you guys like and subscribe to our channel because that's the fee that we charge and it helps us tremendously. And also for you to start getting notifications about new videos of how to make money online and even other fascinating information. Everything requires steps and efforts, but for this all you need is a little effort. You will not have to buy anything, you will not have to sell anything, you will not have to invest in stocks, you will not have to register anywhere or pay anything. And yes, you will have the opportunity to work from anywhere around the world. Your seriousness about it can help you make more than $4,000 in a week. Isn't that just effortless? And that's for simply watching videos on YouTube or other platforms just from the comfort of your own home. Number 1 is Inbox Dollars. If you haven't heard about it before, it's not too late. Inbox Dollars is a web marketing company that gives programs and rewards online to its users for his or her activities, like watching videos, using coupons, and taking surveys. First, you will have to sign up, and you will even get to earn a $5 sign-up bonus on that. Amazing, right? To get started, you just select a list of videos you wish to watch. These lists can take you anywhere from a few minutes to up to a half an hour. You need to watch the entire playlist to get paid. Inbox Dollars will let you know how long a list of the videos will take ahead of time. This helps you to be fully aware of what is involved before you get started. This is a good job that you can do just about anywhere there's an internet connection. And if you don't have an internet connection, you can just find a free access point and use that one. You can make an amazing amount of money per month, you just have to put in the work. Number 2 is Netflix. Netflix is another platform to watch videos and get paid. You're surprised, right? I know, I was surprised as well. Who would think that such a platform for all the movies you can ever imagine will actually pay you for watching a video after following a particular process? Clearly, if you're serious about trying this out, you would like to get paid to watch movies. You need to totally inspect job openings with Netflix. Who wouldn't want to work for an exciting company like Netflix? If you love watching videos and have experience in the industry, you may want to consider applying for this Netflix job. Those who work with Netflix in this pattern are called the Netflix taggers. You, as the candidate, should have a piece of deep knowledge and education in the film or television industry, as I mentioned earlier. You should be able to distinguish the nuances within the different types of content and must be able to share your findings in a brief but comprehensive way. Number 3. User testing. User testing is a site where you can earn some money on completing the testing tasks. You are not required to pay anything to get enrolled as a tester. All necessary payments are done through PayPal account. If you enjoy giving your opinion as you test something new or watch a video, then user testing is just the perfect option for you to earn cash on the side. Just like me, with this platform paying $10 every 20 minutes, you have the ability to earn up to $30 an hour. One lovely thing is the company pays your earned cash directly to your PayPal account. No stress, right? That's it. Like, the registration process takes like about 15 to 20 minutes, nothing that much. Once you apply, you'll get feedback from their team within few days. If you're accepted, you can start taking tests and get paid right away. Number 4 is Irazu. Irazu is a video web service where you can watch entertaining videos and earn points to redeem for PayPal cash or gift cards. Since the inventory on Irazu TV refreshes daily, you'll want to check the site every day for new short films, apps, trailers, movie reviews, and cooking trailers. Aside from watching videos, you can also earn money by playing games and sharing your opinions. You earn up to 100 free points just by signing up, and within the next hour you can rack in as much points as you want from watching videos. I hope this video was very helpful for you. I am 100% sure it was. These websites I talked about, if you give them a shot, you will end up making a lot of money. Make sure to like and subscribe to EarnPal to get strategies, tips, and methods to make money online and be ahead of your competitors. See you in the next video.